I took a nice soak in the Hobo Hotsprings main pool. It's the only one there for a little while. Oh, and it was so hot. Like super, super hot. So I went to the warmer pool and it was a little, while it was warm, it was not warm enough really. So I went back to the hot pool and somebody else came by and soaked as well. I was gonna see if I could crash in my car overnight in the parking lot, but there's no cars there and there's a sign saying no overnight camping, so oh well. Stopped at the Come and Go downtown Saratoga and grabbed gas and then Mountain Dew. And now I'm back on the road. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and I am back on the road to rest area where I'll crash for the night. Morning, Fort Seal, Wyoming. Last night after taking the soak in Hobo Hot Springs, I drove on towards Rawlings, Wyoming. Stop at the first rest area to go to sleep. It's like 1:30 maybe. No, it was probably getting closer to 2. Slept good. It was warm out. Well, I mean, it was actually perfect temperature. And I slept for a good while. It's 8 a.m. 6 hours. So, anyways. A little groggy, but on my way. So I'm at the historic site of Fort Steele. One of the crossroads and encampments for the population in the West. So, anyways, on I go with the journey gradually. This is Walmart. I hate using Walmart, but for road trips, it's the best. Prices were good. I actually bought produce, which I'm not sure is the safest, but $1.98. Strawberries and blueberries, you can't beat that. Anyways, got oil. Put that in. Got a little power inverter for $9.95, which is good. Mine died almost a year ago, so it's been hard to charge up the laptop. Yeah, anyways, prices were good, but I just don't like supporting Walmart. Trying to do some engine block cooking, so I'm going to see how bacon fries up and heat up a bagel for breakfast, so we'll see how that goes. Block cooking is going slower than expected. The bacon just seems like it's just thawed out, and the bagel is just lukewarm. That's after 45 minutes, I think. That's crazy. Anyways, I digress. So, cooking on the engine. Not so successful with the bagel. I mean, it was on the engine block for about an hour. Just stayed lukewarm. That was wrapped in aluminum foil. The bacon, maybe a fifth of the way done. I don't know. We'll see. I guess you can just leave it in there and let it get crispy. Just don't want the bacon oil to like leak out of the aluminum foil and cause a fire or something. So good news on the accounting front. Looks like me and Allison will have a start to create a bookkeeping company. Looks like we've got 3 clients up and coming so far. That's awesome news. So just got to get everything established.